guys! Welcome back to my channel. So today may bago tayong video and itong video na to ay hindi siya katulad ng mga dati kong ginagawa na like kung magme-makeup lang ako, makeup video lang or pagkakain ako, kakain lang ako. Ngayon, magkakaroon tayo like ng twist sa ating videos. So I will do like a get ready with me video while trying this new products na i-share ko sa inyo. So, ayun, meron naman tayong isang business na i-review. Again, this is my first time trying their products. She asked me to try their products kasi parang she's very confident and sure na sure siya na magugustuhan ko. And yes, yung product na binibenta nila is something na I normally buy. So, favorite na favorite ko. So, I am talking about coffee. So, kung friend mo ko or kung close ka sa akin, alam mo kung gaano ko kagusto ang kape. Specifically, iced coffee. So, fan na fan ako ng iced coffee and I'm just excited to try these products from KALYE. Yes, so, meron siyang iba't ibang variants ng coffee. So, yan siya. I am excited kasi alam mo yun, napaka-handy niya. Pag aalis kayo, tapos gusto mo na may kape ka na dala-dala, you can just bring this kasi kaya mo siyang hawakan. So, yan siya. And then, ipa-flash ko na lang sa screen yung variants niya, guys, kasi hindi ko sila memorize lahat. And then, I have 4 variants here and isa-isahin natin silang ita-try. Para lang, syempre, mabigyan natin ng thoughts or ma-share ko sa inyo yung experience ko sa mga kapeng ito. And hindi lang po kape yung ita-try natin. Meron din ako ditong muffins. Yes! Ayan. So, meron din akong 4 na muffins na ita-try. So, before tayo mag-move on sa actual makeup, I have here my glass with ice na. And, magpupur lang ako ng kape sa bawat variants. Okay? So, let's go! Alright, so let's start with the cold brew. So, ito yung, alam mo yung madaming may gusto nito. So, let's just open this. Guys, konti-konti lang yung ilalagay ko sa glass kasi more palpitations, more fun. And take note, gabi na ngayon. Ewan ko kung anong oras ako makakatulog nito, pero ilaban na natin. So, I think I'm good with this. Then I'll just give it a stir para mas lumamig agad. Okay, I am excited, guys! So, basahin muna natin yung nandito mismo sa packaging niya. So, sabi dito, less bitterness, mood booster, freshly brewed. Yes, totoo yung freshly brewed kasi kaya din nagkaroon ng delay ng delivery sa akin because gusto nung ka-workmate ko na yung partner niya talaga yung mag-brew para fresh na fresh. So, that's one thing na I can guarantee you kasi na-experience ko din siya. And ang sabi din dito is it's made with premium local beans, so they support local farmers, so that's good. And less acidity because of the brewing process. Oh, plus points yun sa akin kasi alam mo na yung may mga hyperacidity dyan can relate. So let's try yung cold brew. Okay, for this one, definitely not sweet. Lasang-lasa mo yung coffee. And actually, like, not subtle, but it's just in the middle na hindi siya super mapait. May pait kasi nalalasahan ko yung pagka-roast ng beans. Alam mo, parang first time ko makainom ng ganitong lasang coffee. Hindi ko ma-explain. Pero napaka-dominant ng roasty taste niya. That's good. So, that's the cold brew. So, habang umiinom tayo ng kape, tayo ay mag-get ready with me para, TikTok ready tayo. So, since we're done with our kilay, uubusin ko na to so we can move on with the next coffee. Ayan! So, we're done with the cold brew, which I really like. And then, move on tayo dito. So, this is the tiramisu. Okay, so while waiting for that to, like, lumamig, let's move on to our eyeshadow. We're done with our base. Time to try this tiramisu. Oh, wow. This tastes like tiramisu in liquid form. Okay, it's sweet. Yeah, if I am going to describe this drink, this is for the people who really wants like sweet coffee. This is for you guys. And, oh wow. Not too sweet, yes, not too sweet. Kasi, nilalagyan mo pa ng ice. Pag iniinom mo na siya, very tama lang yung tamis. I like this. I like this tiramisu. Di pa ako nakakatapos ng ice ko, tapos inom na agad ako ng coffee. Teka lang, kakalmahan ko lang guys. So, makeup muna ako kasi parang ginawa ko ng tubig yung kape. Alright. I think it's time for us to move on with our next variant. So, let's move on sa French vanilla. So, this is the French vanilla. Yay! Okay, for this coffee, I'm not sure if this is comparable sa Tim Hortons. This reminds me of Tim Hortons. It's good. So, let's move on with our contour. Let's move on to our last product, coffee product, and this is the white mocha. White mocha. Dadamihan ko na kasi I think this will be my favorite. So, they're actually selling like donuts and muffins. So, I opt-in na lang sa muffins. Ayan. So, I think this is the banana chocolate chip. And then, this is the blueberry one. So, have a look, guys. Sa tingin pa lang nakakagutom na. Ayan. So, let's try this. Oh, wow. Yung blueberries agad yung nakagat ko. So, it's very fluffy. Very soft. Very soft siya. Wow. It's not that sweet. Very spongy. Which I like. Feeling ko mauubos ko to, my gosh. So good. Wow. I am liking this one. Oh my god. Mauubos ko ano to. Wow. That was good. Oh my gosh. Perfect match sila ng muffin. I can imagine like having this at a cafe and chika-chika with friends. But since pandemic, diba? Makeshift siya. It's actually a good pair. I like this white mocha. Nalalasahan ko yung kape pa din. Like, unlike dun sa French vanilla na very dominant yung vanilla and yung pagiging creamy niya. This one, nalalasahan ko talaga yung kape. Definitely my favorite among the four. So, let's move on sa ating next na muffin. So, this is the banana choco chip. Cheers! Ayan siya. Same sila ng texture ng blueberry muffin. I can taste the banana, but it's not like overpowering yung buong muffin. So, you can taste the banana and then the chocolate. Moist. Definitely moist. And malalasahan mo siya na fresh siya kasi hindi siya yung dry. Okay. So, let's go back to makeup. I want my white mocha. That is so good. I'm telling you. KALYE, this is my favorite. Okay, I think the next one is highlighter. So, mag-highlight na tayo. Okay. And then, lastly, we'll put some lipstick. What do you think, guys? Do you like my lip color? Okay. So, i-complete ko lang yung makeup ko, then I'll go back. to share with you my thoughts about the coffee, about the muffins. So yeah, I'll be back. Okay, so this is my final look. And ayan, nakikita nyo, very subtle lang. Naglagay lang ako ng mascara. I just like wear some earrings para mas ma-level up pa natin yung look na to. But pretty much, yan na siya. Diba? Artica girl. So, let's go back to the coffee. Let's talk about it kasi I wanna share to you my thoughts about it. But just to tell you more about KAPE KALYE, you can visit them if you're in Metro Manila and you're looking for like a new coffee place. Then go ahead and visit KAPE KALYE. So they serve hot coffee over ice, non-coffee based drinks, bottled coffee, which is the one that I tried today, and frap, which is coming soon, and pastry. I super like the concept kasi nung nakikita ko si Jovi, which is yung workmate ko, na nagpo-post sa social media niya about KAPE KALYE, para lang talaga siyang, this is very similar to the one na pina-follow ko sa Instagram na nasa Thailand, na para siyang motor lang, and then they will go to a specific place lang, and then gagawa sila ng coffee, like fresh coffee ha, dun talaga nila gagawin sa lugar na yon. I do support small businesses, lalo na if they are providing or they are giving quality products to their consumers. So, isa si KAPE KALYE, confident ako na if you try their coffee, you're gonna love it. I think you just need to find the best mix for you guys. So, ako, dun sa 4, I super like yung white mocha. And then, followed by the cold brew. I super love this. And for the muffins, guys, you should try their muffins. Inexpensive din to. Itong 4 na to, 190 pesos na. Guys, I'll try to like add na lang a price list somewhere sa screen that you can check if you wanna order, because hindi lang limited sa muffins yung binibenta nila. As what I've said earlier, they offer donuts. You should try and check them out. And guys, I am just thankful kasi binigyan ako ng KAPE KALYE ng free coffee. So, they actually gave this to me for free. So, itong cold brew at saka yung tiramisu. Thank you, Jovi. Thank you, Big Daddy. And super nag-enjoy ako. So, I think that's pretty much it. Thank you, guys, for joining me today. And thank you for staying until the end of the video. And, guys, if you want to know more about KAPE KALYE, I will just add more details sa description box. Just check it out. And see you on my next one. Bye-bye!